MathKlik.
Mabuhay! How many elements does this set have? This lesson is about counting the elements of a set. It is possible that a set has no element. This set is described as empty set or null set. The symbol is used to denote an empty set. For instance, V is a set of vowels in the word myth. Empty set ito kasi lahat ng letter ng salitang ito ay consonant. W is a set of X such that X is less than 3 and X is greater than 5. Null set din ito kasi walang number na mas mababa sa 3 and at the same time mataas sa 5. It is important that we know the cardinality of sets. Cardinality of a set refers to the number of elements in the set. For instance, A, whose elements are Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, has 5 elements. The cardinality of A is 5, and we write this in symbol this way. I is a set whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, up to 100. This set has 100 elements. The cardinality of I is 100. In symbol, we write n of I is equal to 100. W is a set of X such that X is less than 3 and X is greater than 5 is an empty set. It has no elements and therefore the cardinality of W is 0. In symbol, we write this way. If we know exactly the number of elements of a set, the set is described as finite set. O, whose elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, has infinite number of elements. The cardinality of O cannot be determined. This set is an example of infinite set. The cardinality of a set is also referred to as its size. Some math authors use the absolute value symbols to denote the cardinality of a set. Laging tandaan, ang infinite set ay walang katapusan o walang simula. Kaya ang bilang ng mga elements nito ay hindi makakayang bilangin. Samantalang sa finite set, may simula at may katapusan. Sa makatwid, ang mga elements nito ay makakayang bilangin gaano man karami ang mga ito. Now try this. Determine whether each set is finite or infinite. If the set is finite, give its cardinality. F is a set of letters of official Filipino alphabet. G is a set whose elements are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on and so forth. H is a set whose elements are W, such that W is a whole number and W is less than 73. J is a set of N such that N is a natural number and N is greater than or equal to 7 but less than 17. K is set of C's such that C is a counting number and C is greater than 3 but less than or equal to pi. For more matitinik tips, just click MathKlik. And please, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for our next video lesson. See ya!